Hi there, and welcome to the Geonics channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, we'll take a look at the lightweight and minimalist Midori browser. Midori is a free open-source browser designed for those who value speed, simplicity, and privacy. It takes up very little space, uses minimal system resources, and is an excellent choice for older and low-performance computers, as well as for users who want fast internet access without unnecessary extras. Built on the WebKit engine, Midori offers strong compatibility with modern web standards and ensures fast page loading. Some of Midori's key advantages include lightweight and fast performance, launching instantly and running smoothly even on older PCs and low-spec laptops. A clean, intuitive interface with no clutter of buttons or menus to distract from browsing. Support for extensions and scripts, allowing the installation of custom user scripts and user styles to adapt functionality to personal needs. Built-in privacy tools offering private browsing mode, ad blocking, and tracker blocking without the need for additional plugins. Cross-platform availability for Windows, Linux, and Android, with all versions remaining equally light and responsive. Let's launch the browser and see what its interface looks like. Upon opening, you arrive at the Start page with the search bar, tabs, and navigation controls. The browser supports a context menu that lets you create new tabs, pin or duplicate them, and quickly access different sections of the browser. On the left, there is a control panel for history, downloads, tags, and bookmarks. Here you can import bookmarks, search and save pages for quick access later. Below, you'll find the extensions, themes, and plugins section, along with the password manager, which encrypts stored passwords, and the settings menu. Part of this menu can also be accessed via the icons at the top right, where you can see profile information and open the familiar browser context menu, both of which lead back into settings. Now, let's go over the settings in more detail. In the General section, you can configure the browser to your preferences, startup options, tab behavior, where new tabs open, language, and more. At the bottom of this section, there is a network settings subsection where you can configure proxies. A detailed tutorial on setting up a proxy in Midori is available via the on-screen annotation. The Design section gathers all appearance-related options. In the Browser Manager sidebar, you can customize the sidebar itself, add in the sites and tools you need. Other settings include workspaces, keyboard shortcuts, download paths, and web apps. You can change the default search engine, DuckDuckGo, Google, Ecosia, and others are supported. Enable or disable ad blocking, set the home page and search bar behavior, and manage extensions and custom scripts. Further down, you can access Manage Profiles menu as well as the Midori Support section. From today's review, it's clear that Midori is a great choice for anyone who wants a fast, simple, and secure browser without unnecessary extras. It works well as a primary browser for older machines or as a secondary clean browser for tasks where speed and minimalism matter most. Midori launches faster than most popular browsers and consumes very little RAM, a big advantage if you have many background apps running or older hardware. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, geonics.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.